This is IoT Learning Kit. In this way, we can place DHT11 sensor on this kit. Now connect the USB cable on laptop and click on Upload to upload this code into NodeMCU. Now uploading is completed. This is IoT web panel setup for temperature and humidity sensor, real-time cloud data update, and furnace temperature analysis. In this way, it is going to measure furnace temperature in real time. Temperature greater than 30 degrees Celsius, it is alerting condition, where temperature higher than critical value. Temperature in between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius is considered as furnace is on and working normally. When temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius is considered as furnace is off.